Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your US Bank's credit card online. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Activate US Bank Credit Card Online. After you search for it, the first link over here where it says Activate your US Bank Credit Card, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Over here, if you have an online banking account of US Bank, click on Login and Activate and log in into your account. And after you log in, enter a card detail and activate your card. But if you don't have an account, then click on Enroll and Activate and then create yourself an online banking account of US Bank. After you do that, enter your card's detail and then your card will be activated. So yeah, that's how you guys can activate your US Bank's credit card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.